Now that you've watched a short video of Everclear and Fireball playing under the desk, let's look at the Video tab and its sections and icons. There are 6 sections to the Video Tools Options tab. They are Play, Video Options, Closed Captions, Arrange and Align, Size and Position, and Publish. The Play section allows you to preview the video. This is different than the preview icon and function you find in the Publish section. When you select the preview icon on the Video Tools tab, you will only play the video within the slide view. The preview function in the Publish section will open a new window and play the selected slide or slides, scene, or the entire lesson as the learner will see it. The Video Options tab is where you will be able to edit the video and adjust its properties. Selecting the video volume icon will open a drop-down menu that has 4 preset volume levels: low, medium, high, and mute. The medium option will initially be selected as the video's default value. Next to the volume icon is the Edit Video icon. This icon opens a new pop-up menu which has 5 sections: Close, Edit, Adjust, Logo, and Video. This video editor is a very basic editor and has limited capabilities when compared to specially designed video tools like Adobe's Premiere Pro. That doesn't mean it's not useful. When you are finished making the changes to your video, you will select the Save and Close icon in the Close section. If you select the X in the upper right corner of the window, Storyline will not incorporate any changes you made to the video. The Trim icon allows you to remove the start and the end of the video. When you select this icon, blue regions on the video's timeline will appear. These blue regions represent the portion of the video that will be removed from what the learner will see. The crop icon acts just like the crop feature for a still photo. You can remove the edges of the video. This can help you fit a video onto the slide or help you direct the learner to a specific region of the video. The volume icon opens a new window that will enable you to adjust the video's volume to a custom volume. You can decrease the volume up to 100% or increase up to 300% of the current level. The Adjust section will allow you to adjust the video's brightness and contrast. You will just enter the desired values in the text entry fields. If you are wanting to lower the brightness or contrast, you'll need to enter a negative number. You can insert a logo or watermark to the video. The last section will allow you to replace the video with a different video or return the video to its initial settings. Not all videos will have closed captions pre-built into the video. It is encouraged to have closed captions as part of your video to ensure hearing-impaired learners are able to know what people are saying or what sounds are in the video. You can manually enter the captions or edit them, generate captions with AI, or import a closed caption file. The Arrange and Align section works just like it does on the Drawing and Picture Tools tabs. You'll be able to move the video closer to the learner, or in front of other items, or away from the learner, or behind other items, and align the video to the slide or other items on the slide. The Size and Position section also works like it does on the Drawing and the Picture Tools tabs. The X and Y text entry fields will set the video's upper left corner on the slide, and the width and height field determine the video's size. Like the Picture Tool's size function, when you adjust the height, Storyline will adjust the width and vice versa. Finally, the last section allows you to preview the lesson and publish the video so others can view it.